Guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to change the prices on booking.com. So here, the first thing that we are going to do is to visit the booking.com website. And then once you're here, just have to log into your account. Okay? Then here, just have to select stays, flights, or flights plus hotel, car rental, attractions, and airport taxes. So here, what I'm going to do is just to search for my destination, and then your checked in and checked out date, and then the details for the section. Okay, how many adults, children, or rooms that you're going to book. After that, right here, as you can see at the last side, we have this your budget section. So you just have to change the range. Okay, so you just have to drag this option right here to set the price or to change the price of the results. So for example, we have 200 to 2,100 pesos only. And then it will shows the different results with this price range. So for example, this one, you just have to simply click on it, and then I just have to book this hotel. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.